Welcome to 1717 King Street. Let's go for a ride and check out this amazing community and great location. This community features a central courtyard that has raised garden beds, central mailboxes, as well as a green space that's a great place to have your dog come socialize and get a little extra energy out. Now let's talk about the great location. This property is about a 10-minute drive to downtown Denver and Union Station. This property is about 6 blocks west of the Broncos Stadium and 1 block south of Lake Middle School. The property is situated between Sloan's Lake and West Colfax. There's lots of great development going on in these areas, including the St. Anthony's redevelopment. This is an entertainment district that has a couple bars, restaurants, as well as Alamo Drafthouse. Sloan's Lake is one of my favorite parks in Denver. I love the water as well as the great green space and the killer views. Some of my favorite bars, eateries, and breweries are in this neighborhood as well. Joyride is just on the other side of the lake, Hog's Head is just north of the lake, Little Machine Brewery is close to the Broncos Stadium, and Seedstock's just a couple blocks south of the property. The St. Anthony's redevelopment is moving along strong, and the Lake House is under construction, as well as a couple new developments. This is a great area that has a lot of upside. 1717 King Street is an amazing house in a great location. I hope to see you there. Thank you.